Hi everyone. We are going over narrative writing for the last day of this week. So again, just the purpose of narrative writing is to tell a story. So today, or to describe an experience, an event, or a sequence of events. Today you are going to have the opportunity to write about, so your prompt today is, would you rather fly to space or swim to the bottom of the ocean? So that's your prompt for today. So while I'm continuing to go over your checklist, please make sure you're thinking about that. Maybe some ideas are coming to your head. So again, please make sure that you capitalize every letter at the beginning of each sentence. Also proper nouns, so names of places, people's names, things like that need to be capitalized. You do need to indent each paragraph by either clicking the tab button or using your finger spacing. Use punctuation at the end of your sentences or to break apart your thoughts or your list by using a comma. Use spell check, and then please make sure you click the turn in button on Google Classroom in the top right hand corner. In your stories today, you must have an introduction, a setting. So the setting is either going to take place in outer space or at the bottom of the ocean, depending on what you choose. The characters, maybe if you go to outer space, maybe you have aliens, or maybe if you go to the bottom of the ocean, maybe you have fish and sharks and things like that. So keep that in mind. You will need to have a beginning, a middle, and an end. If you want to make up a story, go for it. That's totally fine. And then just wrap it all up with a conclusion. You may use transitional words. That is very important. So first, I would do this because, or next, I would travel here because, or another reason I would like to go to outer space is because. Those are all really good transitions. So just some things to think about while you are writing your paper. What would you need? If you went to outer space or if you went to the bottom of the ocean, what would you need for both of those to be able to survive? How would you get there? Would you travel in a submarine? Would you go in a spaceship? How would you get there? When would you go? So does the temperature or the time of the year have a significance of when you would have to go? Why do you choose that place? Why would you rather go to outer space over the ocean or vice versa? Some sentence starters that I came up with for you today, is if I had the opportunity to fly to outer space or swim to the bottom of the ocean, I would, and then you can tell me what you would choose. And then another option that I gave was, did you know, and then maybe you want to give me a fact about either outer space or the ocean. That is why I would rather travel to blank than to blank. So maybe if you're traveling to the bottom of the ocean, maybe you could say, did you know it is super dark at the bottom of the ocean? That is why I'd rather travel to the bottom than to outer space. And then you can continue to go on with why you think it would be a better idea to go to one other than the other. So I think it would be a really good idea is if you started with a list today and just jotted down some notes of why you would rather go to one over the other. This is a narrative, but it also is your opinion because you're choosing and you're trying to explain to your reader why you would go to that place. Try to persuade your reader to want to go with you. That's a good idea. All right, if you have any other questions, please let us know. Other than that, happy Friday. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.